Alpha Charlie 1208 Heavy, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff. Thank you, good day, at IHAD 544 Super. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, Alpha Charlie 1208 Heavy. November 959 Uniform, Kilo, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff, make left traffic. November 987, Romeo Bravo, ready for takeoff at runway 25 right, departing straight out, cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, November 959 Uniform Kilo, November 987 Romeo Bravo, line up and wait runway 25 right, line up and wait runway 25 right, November 987 Romeo Bravo. Alpha Charlie 1208 Heavy, requesting departure to the east. Alpha Charlie 1208 Heavy, departure to the east is approved. Los Angeles Tower, United 27 Heavy, ready for takeoff, at runway 25 right, departing straight out, Southwest 2612, requesting departure to the east. November 987 Romeo Bravo, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff, cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, November 987 Romeo Bravo, Southwest 2612, departure to the east is approved. United 27 Heavy, line up and wait runway 25 right. Line up and wait runway 25 right. United 27 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, United 26 Heavy, ready for takeoff at runway 25 right, departing straight out. United 26 Heavy, hold short of runway 25 right. Holding short runway 25 right, United 26 Heavy. November 987 Romeo Bravo, requesting departure to the west, United 27 Heavy, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff, cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, United 27 Heavy, United 26 Heavy, line up and wait runway 25 right, line up and wait runway 25 right, United 26 Heavy. November 987 Romeo Bravo, departure to the west is approved. Los Angeles Tower, Jersey 109.5, ready for takeoff, at runway 25 right, remaining in the pattern. Los Angeles Tower, Frontier Flight 529, ready for takeoff at runway 24 left, departing straight out. Jersey 109.5, hold short of runway 25 right. Sorry, Jersey 109.5. Los Angeles Tower, 693, ready for takeoff, at runway 24 left, departing north, Southwest 2612, request frequency change. Frontier Flight 529, runway 24 left, cleared for takeoff, cleared for takeoff, runway 24 left, Frontier Flight 529, 693, hold short of runway 24 left, hold short, runway 24 left, 693. United 26 Heavy, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff. United Mike Golf Alpha India, Romeo, line up and wait runway 25 right, line up and wait runway 25 right, Mike Golf Alpha India, Romeo. United 27 Heavy, request frequency change. Los Angeles Tower, Pop miles, to the east at 2,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 24 left. Papa Kilo 2910, number 1, runway 24 left, cleared to land, number 1, cleared to land, runway 24 left, Papa Kilo 2910, Mike Golf Alpha India Romeo, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, Mike Golf Alpha India Romeo. United 27 Heavy, number 1, runway 25 right, cleared to land. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 25 right, United 27 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, Thai 693, ready for takeoff, at runway 24 left, departing north, United 26 Heavy, request frequency change, United 27 Heavy, request frequency change, Thai 693, runway 24 left, cleared for immediate takeoff, cleared for takeoff, runway 24 left, Thai 693, Los Angeles Tower, American 9132. Ready for takeoff at runway 25 right, departing east. American 9142, runway 25 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, American 9142. Jet 787. Going around, Papa Kilo 2910. Jet 787, runway 25 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, Jet 787. Los Angeles Tower, Saudia 1 Super, ready for takeoff, at runway 6 left, departing straight out. Papa Kilo 2910, Robert, take right traffic runway 24 left. Robert, Papa Kilo 2910. American 9142, requesting departure to the east, Los Angeles Tower, Saudia 1 Super, ready for takeoff, at runway 6 left, departing straight out. Saudia 1 Super, runway 6 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 6 left, Saudia 1 Super, Los Angeles Tower, Air Canada 798, ready for takeoff, at runway 25 right, departing north. Takeoff. cleared for takeoff. Runway 25 right, Air Canada 798 Heavy, Papa Kilo 2910, is on right downwind runway 24 left, full stop. Papa Kilo 2910, roger. Papa Kilo 2910, roger. Golf Alpha India Romeo, request frequency change. American 9142, requesting departure to the east. Los Angeles Tower, World 588 Heavy, ready for takeoff at runway 25 right, remaining in the pattern. High 693, request frequency change. World 588 Heavy, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff, make right traffic, cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, World 588 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, November 80 Papa November, ready for takeoff, at runway 24 left, remaining in the pattern, American 9142, request frequency change.